What if I told you that a single narrow waterway, just a few miles wide, could decide the price of oil, the stability of global markets, and even the balance of world power? Right now, reports are claiming that Iran may introduce new strict conditions for ships passing through the Strait of Hormuz, a move that could instantly change how the world's most important energy route operates. And even if part of this becomes reality, the impact won't stay in the Middle East. It could hit every country on the planet. So what exactly is happening, and why is the world suddenly paying attention? In today's video, we are going to break down one of the most sensitive geopolitical stories developing right now around the world's most important maritime checkpoint, the Strait of Hormuz, a narrow waterway that quietly controls a massive portion of global energy flow. And any tension here has the power to shake international markets within hours. Recently, reports circulating from regional media sources have claimed that Iran may be preparing to enforce new conditions for ships passing through this strategic route. And if these reports are accurate, or even partially accurate, they could signal a serious shift in how maritime access in this region is controlled and contested. Now let's understand why this matters so much. The Strait of Hormuz is not just another sea route. It is one of the most critical oil transit points in the world. A significant percentage of global petroleum and liquefied natural gas passes through this narrow corridor every single day. Countries across Asia, Europe, and beyond depend on uninterrupted flow from this route to keep their economies running smoothly. That means even a small disruption here can create global ripple effects. Rising oil prices, shipping delays, insurance spikes, and even political tension between major world powers. According to the reports, Iran is said to be considering a set of strict conditions for vessels navigating through this passage. First, it is being claimed that only commercial ships would be allowed to pass freely, while military vessels could face restriction or even complete denial of entry. This alone, is implemented, would immediately raise concern among naval powers that operate in international waters. Second, ships may no longer be allowed to choose their own navigation paths. Instead, they would reportedly be required to follow specific routes designated by Iranian authorities. This kind of control over navigation lanes is highly sensitive because in international maritime law, freedom of navigation is a core principle that many global powers strongly defend. Third, and perhaps the most controversial point, is the claim that vessels could need to coordinate with Iranian naval forces and obtain clearance before entering the strait. In simple terms, this would mean an additional layer of control and approval before ships can pass through one of the busiest energy corridors in the world. Now it is important to pause here and be very clear. These reports have not been independently confirmed, and there is no official universal verification that such rules are actively enforced at this time. However, even the discussion of such measures is enough to attract global attention because this region has historically been a flashpoint for geopolitical tensions. Whenever there is uncertainty in the Strait of Hormuz, global markets react almost instantly. Oil traders monitor every development closely. Shipping companies raise risk levels, insurance cost of vessels can rise, and governments being reviewing their naval presence in the region to ensure the safety of international trade routes. One of the political side, this kind of development, whether confirmed or still under discussion, often becomes part of a larger strategic messaging game. Regional powers use such statements to assert influence, signal strength, or respond to external pressure. At the same time, global powers usually respond by emphasizing freedom of navigation and maintaining open sea lanes. Historically, this waterway has been moments of heightened tension before. There have been incidents involving ships, military escorts, and diplomatic standoffs. This is why even unverified reports can quickly turn into major international talking points. If we look at the broader picture, this is not just about a country or one decision. This is about control, influence, and security over one of the most important economic arteries of the modern world. Any shift in how this route is managed directly affects global energy stability. So now the big question is, what happens next? Will this remain just a report, set of conditions that never fully materialized in practice? Or are we looking the really signs of a more controlled and restricted maritime environment in the Gulf region? And more importantly, how will global power respond if any restrictions begin to affect commercial or military navigation in the future? For now, the world is watching closely because in geopolitics, especially in regions like the Strait of Hormuz, even a small statement can sometimes create waves that travels across the entire global economy. And that is exactly why this story matters. Not just government or analysts, but for anyone who is connected to global markets, energy prices, or international stability. We will continue to follow updates on this situation. If you want more deep breakdowns like this, make sure to stay connected.